Hi guys, Patrick here of NarpGeeks.com. Realme just launched their latest mid-range smartphone, which is the new Realme 3 Pro. And before we give you our full review of this device, we want to share to you what comes with the box and share to you our initial thoughts with it. So, let's start. As you can see, this box is all sealed. So this is probably what you'd be getting when you buy one. Let me just slice this open. Right up top, we have the pack that says, "Welcome to the Realme family." Inside it is a SIM ejector tool. We also have the quick start guide and important information guide. We also have a clear case in case you want to use one. And below all that is the device itself. Let's just put it on the side and dig in further. This is just a cardboard for partition. And below it is a micro USB cable, which is a little disappointing in this era of USB Type-Cs. On the upside, this cable and its large power brick enables its VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. Speaking of the wall adapter, it looks like the socket that we have here is for the other markets. Hopefully, the final retail unit that the consumers will be getting here in the Philippines has a more appropriate socket, so you wouldn't need an adapter. Well, basically that's everything that comes on the box. As you probably know, this is the most powerful mid-range device that the company currently makes. This thing comes with a Snapdragon 710 processor, with the review unit that we have here coming with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Realme Philippines said that a 4GB and 64GB model is also launching here in the Philippines. During our first few moments with it, the performance feels really snappy, from just swiping the interface and taking initial shots. Speaking of which, the Realme 3 Pro has a 16MP primary camera. It may not have the 48MP camera that other devices have, but don't let that fact throw you off, as this is actually the same sensor that other flagship devices have, like the OnePlus 6T. We shall see how really well this camera performs in our full review. The device also has a 4045mAh battery, which might have contributed to its slightly heavy weight. On the upside, it does sport a Lehman Speedway-inspired design on the back, which really looks flashy, although the overall design feels a little identical to the Realme 3. Well, basically that's it for now. We will be publishing our full review of the Realme 3 Pro in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. This device will make its official debut here in the Philippines on May 17, and by then we shall have the price and our full review ready. So yeah, basically just stay tuned for that. So again, this has been Patrick from NarpGeeks.com. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you like it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.